In this video, what we're going to look at is how do you ascertain what the heart rate is if you're looking at an ECG that has an irregular rhythm. Pretty obvious when you look at a regular rhythm on an ECG strip. Since the heart is beating at the same rate, you're going to get a single number. 70 beats per minute, 100 beats per minute, but it'll be the same. It's a little bit different when you're looking at an irregular ECG, in the sense that what you're going to get for your heart rate is actually a range. You're going to get one number that is relatively low and another number that is a little bit higher. So we're looking at this ECG. You have it in your test quiz, and you're asked to interpret what you see. You're going to say, well, that is a atrial fibrillation, and now you have to figure out what the heart rate is. In order to do that with an irregular beat, you have to find the slowest rate and you have to find the fastest rate. So in this strip, we're going to go for the fast rate first. So you need to find two R-wave peaks that are the closest together. In this case, 1 and 2 will work. 2 and 3 would also work, and 3 and 4 could also work too. They're about the same. If you count the small boxes between 3 and 4, divide that into 1500, you're going to get 150 beats per minute. So that's your fast rate. Now we have to find out what's the slowest this heart's going to beat at. You do the opposite. Now you have to find two R-wave peaks consecutive that are furthest apart. 4 and 5 will fit the bill. If you count the small boxes between 4 and 5, divide that into 1500, you will find that the heart rate here is 100 beats per minute. So on your exam, what you're going to do is you're going to say this is atrial fibrillation. The heart rate is between 100 and 150 beats per minute. I hope that has cleared that up, and if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Thank you.